Hi Global Consultants, David Thexton here from ConsultX, and welcome to this week's podcast, Everything Business Consulting, a weekly podcast all about business consulting where we talk about many different topics and interview really interesting people from our global network. If you want to be or are a business consultant, this is the podcast for you. Last week we discussed the movie I had just seen called The Darkest Hour, covering the leadership of Sir Winston Churchill during the Second World War. Through the use of the English language, he motivated an entire nation and the world into beating the German army as they rampaged across Europe. The author of the piece I read was Paul Millward, and he described Churchill as a poet who was a politician, a person who could take on the entire country and spur them on to do incredible deeds previously not thought possible to beat Hitler. I mentioned last week that I was going to do some work on the words we use when speaking to prospects because I now think that slight changes in our presentations will pay huge dividends in signing up new clients. I'm not an expert in this area, but I do know that we should eradicate certain words and replace them with new words. The eradicated words cause confusion and doubt in the prospect's mind, and the replacement words will instill confidence and trust. You'll have to work on removing these words from your vocabulary. It may take some time, but the whole conversation will change to the positive and will win you more clients. For example, I've made a couple of lists up here, which will be in the show notes along with this podcast, of words to avoid in speech and some possible replacements. And one of the words to avoid, and I'll go through a list here, is maybe. And you could replace that with something like yes. Could is a good word to avoid. Maybe I could do that, for example, if you put them both together, and change could to can. Might. Oh, I might do that. Change it to will. I will do that. Wish. Wish is a wishy-washy word, isn't it? And change that to will as well. Hope. We used to have a guy in ConsultX who used to call it hopium, like hope was a drug. And he used to call it that. And I would say replace hope with I am confident that. Can't. Swap that with can or will. Won't. Once again, will or can. Impossible. Could be changed to possible or achievable. You can see that the whole context of a sentence will change when you take out one of those words to avoid and you replace it with one of those other words. Hard is another word to avoid in speech. It's just too hard. Replace it with easy. Lose. Replace with win or success. Failure. Replace it with a success or win. Unsuccessful. Obviously, replace that with successful. Defeated. Undefeated. No to yes. Hopeless cause. Great cause. Try. Try is a bit of a wishy-washy word, isn't it? Oh, I'll try to do it. Replace that with will. Put some commitment into it. Losing and replace with winning. And here's some words that you can add into your vocabulary that will instill passion and confidence and change the whole outcome of conversations that you'll have with your prospects. Please practice them whilst listening to yourself and eradicating those negative words. So some positive motivational words for consultants to use and a suggestion of how to use it. For example, victory. It's a bit Second World War-ish, isn't it? We will achieve complete victory over your competitors. Best. You can have the best business. Conquer. It's a bit old world, isn't it? Conquer your competitors. Prevail. Your business will prevail for many years. Success. A successful business or business success program. Lucrative. Very profitable. Profit. There are huge profits locked in your business. Prosper. Your family will prosper. Reward. Great reward for your hard work. Riches. Great riches can be earned from this business. Succeed. Working together, we can succeed. Confident. I'm confident we can turn your business around. No doubt. I have no doubt we can make a success of your business. Positive. I'm positive that working together will win. Definite. Let's have a definite goal to become successful. Optimistic. I am very optimistic in your business or the potential of your business. Trust in. You can trust in me being by your side. See, each of these words, it just lifts the whole conversation, and it just they're such powerful words. Certain. I am certain we can increase your profits. Assured. Be assured that I can help you. Believe. Let's believe in a positive outcome. Truth. I will always tell you the truth. Honest. Having an honest relationship is important to me. Relationship. We will have a strong relationship. Partner. I'll be your business success partner. Team. Let's build a great team. Win-win. We will have a win-win relationship. Long term. We will work together for the long term. Of course, you can start to add other words back into it and make the sentence even longer. Value. We will increase the value of your business. More time. More free time for you. Freedom. You will have a freedom lifestyle. Lifestyle. Your new lifestyle will mean more family time for you. Manageable. Once we get going, your business will become more manageable than it is now. Control. You need to have better control of your business. Retirement. Let's talk about your retirement planning. Business sale ready. Every business should be sale ready. I think you get the general idea of what I'm talking about here. Just be careful what words you use and only use positive ones, and there's probably many more than what we've looked at here. I'm certain that your client acquisition rate will increase as through the new words, prospects will see you as a passionate, motivated individual who really knows their stuff. And as time permits, I'm going to create some new scripts and publish them to all of you and put it into the training program. That's the end of today's podcast. Thank you for listening. If you want to be part of the ConsultX global community, go to our website at www.consultx.com and have a look at the videos that are there and the printed material. Also, if you want to become a member, on the top menu bar there is a tab there called Pricing. Click on there and it will give you all of the business opportunities that are available within our network. So once again, thank you, and we'll see you again next week. Goodbye.